Simply hide all TV power sources with this cable management product. Mounting brackets are included in order to securely hold the One Connect box, Apple TV, Roku, or any other TV power sources. This product includes two 18-inch hook loop fasteners used to strap power source firmly to brackets. Includes an open trim ring in order to allow airflow for optimal performance. Contains a listed 15 amp, 125 volt duplex receptacle. Outlet box comes included with this product. Top reviews from the United States. I used this to hold the One Connect box behind a Samsung Frame TV. Mine was a 55, and this fit behind it well. The box holds the One Connect perfectly and provides room for wiring, plugs and any additional devices you want to include like an Apple TV or Roku.